Hey, welcome back to the channel today. Hey, today I want to take a quick look at this small but mighty air compressor. And I think it's something that, that you'll really like. It's something you can carry in your backpack. You can air up a car tire, your bicycle tire, your basketballs, footballs, any type of ball like that. It comes with everything you need to get those aired up. And so pick this up on Amazon, and I want to give you a quick overview and look at it and show you how it works. It's EAFC is who it's made by. As you can see, this thing probably weighs less than a pound, so it's super compact. It comes with its own carrying case, and here's some of the features, some of the cables and stuff that come with it. I want to show you all of that. There you go. So, several things. It has its own USB-C to USB-A charging cable, so you can charge the battery up here. If you are not where you can charge it, it also comes with a 12-volt DC cable, so you can plug that in and use that. This cable is like 10 foot. So like if you're airing up your car tire and you just want some, this may be charged, and you can just air up the tire with just this on a full charge, up to 36 pounds on a 15-inch tire. It also comes with several attachments to air up, like, floats and stuff, and to the needle for any kind of sports ball, soccer, football, basketball. This is the air hose for your tire, and you can see it just threads in right here at the top, and you can just thread that in. It also has the spin on that's attached to your valve stem on your car tire. Super easy here. Digital readout. Press here to turn the power on. Hold it for about 4 seconds. And you can see that this is showing you currently tire pressure, PSI. If you hit the plus, you can adjust the PSI that you want, and then just hit the power button again, and it will air up your tire, and then it will auto shut off. So like after your tire reaches the pressure that you want, it does have an auto shut off. I'm going to take you out, and I'm going to connect this to an actual car tire and show you how it works. Okay, so I'm out here, and I'm going to put some air in this tire. I want you to see that once you connect it, you can see that it has a digital readout telling you how much pressure the tire's in. So this one's at 32.5, but it should have 36 pounds in it. So you just hit the plus, go to 36, and then hit the power button in the middle. Okay, so you can see it's airing up the tire. It's at 33 pounds. I'll show you here in just a second. Once it gets to the 36 pounds, this will cut off, auto cut off. So you're not going to over inflate your tire or your bicycle tire or anything like that. When you're getting ready to set it, you can use the power buttons here, and there's little icons to like show what you're going to air up, like a ball or a bicycle, a motorcycle tire, or a car tire. So if you're doing a car tire, you want to make sure that you have it set on the car feature, because each feature comes up with a different pound. When you set on the car feature, it automatically defaults to 36 pounds. Like I said, this tire needs 35 pounds in it, so that's what I have it set at. And we're just going to sit here and let it run till it gets there. You can even set it down. You don't even have to continue to watch it. You could set it down, walk off, and come back. So that's what we're going to do, and then I'll show you that it reaches the 35 pounds. So now I want to show you, we're right here. You got the 34.5 pounds, and they say that this will air up your tire or ball or anything within a half a pound. So you saw it's like that. I can fire it up again and get the extra half pound in there. But if you're on the side of the road, and you don't have anything else to help you out, and you got a low tire and you need to put some air in it, this will get the job done. Save you time, keep you from having to get towed or to have to jack up and change over to your spare. So it's pretty handy. And the fact that it's compact, it has its own carrying case. It does have another feature here I didn't show you. It does have a LED light, so that if for some reason you are, it's nighttime and you need to be able to see, you can see there's a LED light right there, and you can see the little LED light button here. So if you can, I don't know if you can see because it's kind of daylight, but it's got 3 settings on the light with solid, flash, and so it's something that you could use in an emergency situation that would keep you from having to get a tow. This is something that I would put in my backpack. Like if maybe you ride bicycles a lot. It's small enough that you can put it in your backpack. You can carry it to your sports court in case you need to air up a basketball or a volleyball or something like that. This would be what I would use this for, just because it's so convenient and easy to carry. And you can pretty much carry it anywhere and it doesn't take up much room. Hopefully this was helpful. I would give this a kind of thumbs in the middle. I would like to see a little more power, but look at the size of this thing. Weighs barely over a pound, and you can hold it in your hand. It's preset, and you can adjust the pressures to any way you want to. So, overall, I would definitely recommend this item. I would probably just use it for different things, but hey, if this is all you got and you got it in your car and you got a low tire, this will take care of business. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, make sure you hit the like button. Don't forget to share with your friends and family, and subscribe. And until next time, stay safe.